What is up, everyone? Today I thought it would be great to show you some legitimate work from home jobs that are hiring right now and always. This video will be a bit different because I won't show you only easy and no experience jobs to do from home that may fit your portfolio and your experience, so stay close because you might find the perfect job to start right now. So let's go. The first website that I want to show you today is Automatic.com. As you can see, they offer remote jobs and work from anywhere. Of course, you can go and check the benefits on working with Automatic.com, but what I want to show you today is the open positions that they currently have. So, engineering, as you can see, you can apply for developer advocate, technical project manager, JavaScript engineer, mobile engineer, and so on. Let's move on. Design, senior product designer, design recruiter, then business development and marketing, and here are another kind of jobs. Happiness engineer, trust and safety wrangler, support engineer, people, legal and finance, learning and development manager, human resources, legal operations, and so on. And then the last one is pressable, and here you can apply for a sales account executive or technical support and enablement engineer. If we go and check each of these one, we will see that there are many details about the job and what you will have to do, what are they looking for, how they work, and of course how to apply. Now the second one that I want to show you today is more for those that like to be on the phone. So, Ctel.com is a website that provides you work from home opportunities in the call center area. As you can see on their page, there are many positions opened right now for trainer, coach, operations manager, work from home, inbound call center associate, and so on. Another important thing that they offer is that if you live near one of their locations, their hybrid model offers the flexibility to work from home or on-site with the option of site-based training. So you can go here and apply for any kind of job that you think might fit your portfolio. I just wanted to show you this specific one, customer service representative on-site, possible work from home. And here, as you can see, they say that they will give you $13 per hour, year performance-based raises, full-time shifts, some benefits like medical, dental and vision, scholarship programs, employee discounts, and so on. Let's move on and see another interesting website, and this is Asurian Careers. Let's close this real quick. Again, you can go and check the website and see what positions are open. Let's go and check them together for a moment. As you can see here in the search jobs area, you can search for any kind of job you want and enter your location. They're already showing you some of their open positions. As you can see, there are many remote USA, full-time or part-time jobs, but I wanted to show you some of the benefits of working with Asurion. So they offer health insurance, 401k, save for retirement through the Asurion 401k savings plan, work-life balance, and I really like this one. Asurion promotes a healthy work-life balance with a paid PTO policy, maternity, parental leave, flexible schedules, and options for remote work. And of course, well-being. Our well-being program promotes physical and emotional health through fun workplace challenges and education. We also offer a comprehensive financial educational program to help prepare you for an emergency, find your way to retirement, and everything in between. If you know a foreign language, that polyglotclub.com is the perfect place to search for such a job, which is translations, of course. And if you are accepted, you can start translating right away, and the best thing is that you can take as much work as you can. So all you have to do is to apply on their website, and if you are accepted, well, you can start right away. Hey, I know that you can go on Google and search for tons of jobs, any kind of job you want to do from home or not, but I just think it's easier to check out this website and see if you can find something that fit your schedule and your experience. So right now I want to show you another website where you can find different companies and jobs, so let's move on. So here is Adsunacom. You can leave your email address on their website and they will send you automatically all the new jobs for home working jobs in the USA. For now I will skip that. So here you can see that there are many work from home jobs: React developer, premium auditor, work at home travel agent, survey assistant, customer service, bilingual customer service associate, and anyway, many work from home jobs. The next one that I will show you is something that I personally did for almost 3 years, and yes, I started to work from home and I earned pretty well, and I think it was my biggest salary, but as I'm not in the USA, you might understand. So I'm talking about Amazon. On Amazon Jobs, you can find virtual or work from home positions available to qualified individuals who live in some areas. And if we go right here, you can see the job category. There are many categories right here: solutions architect, sales, advertising and account management, fulfillment operations management, human resources, and so on. And they currently have some work from home jobs available in the USA: digital devices and Alexa support associate, customer service associate, and so on. But as you may not be from the USA, if you want to try to work from Amazon, you can go on Amazon Jobs and search for your location. So let's say France. I don't know if there's something in France right now, but we will just see. Okay, so here, yes, there are some open positions. I don't know if these are from home or not, but anyway, you can check for your country and see if there are some available work from home jobs, okay? Another website where you can find legitimate work from home jobs is Appen.com. So Appen offers a surprisingly broad range of work at home situations, including positions with flexible and part-time hours. So you can see they have language jobs, corporate jobs, and if you want to check, there are micro tasks, projects, surveys and data collection. So you can go and check out Appen.com. The next one that I want to show you today is Concentric.com. So Concentric is a technology-enabled global business services company specializing in customer engagement and improving business performance. The company operates in 40 countries. Most of the work at home positions offered are in the sales and service representative area. They are available through the Concentric's Anywhere program, which provides dispersed remote call center capabilities for clients. If hired, you'll receive paid training and employee benefits. So as you can see, they're hiring in Ohio, in Florida, in North Carolina, and so on. So guys, as you can see, there are many possibilities to work from home, and to be honest, since I first started to work from home as an employee and then as a freelancer and entrepreneur, I don't want to work somewhere else. I don't like offices, I don't like 9-to-5 jobs, I don't like to wait for my paycheck and have my earnings limited and so on. Oh, and not to mention the bad winter days or hot summer days and the traffic, and the best place I could work is my own home. I know that for some of you, working from home is not exciting because you may have kids that walk around or neighbors that pop in the worst moments, but I just think that for some of us, working from home is a dream that can be true. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you couldn't find any job that fits you, then you can go and watch this video right here where I will talk about more work from home jobs. Thanks for being here. Leave a comment if you have any questions or just to say hi, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.